straitjackets take off from the airfield of atrophied minds. A hollow ball of expanded rubber scrolls infinitely through the schismatic interface of social networks and clinical ecstasy. Our digital world and the real world strike a Luciferic pact. In the nuclear winter, tapping SOS messages in reverse. Perpetual. Chaotic times, I have excited purulent dystopian spaces. I have created an AI friend. Our time is written in cybernetic neural networks. The blue sun merged with the non-being of the unicorn. How much galaxy fits into a rebel chip in an aseptic dialect? Brutal laws were encoded. The curtain fell like an axe, like an axe over the neck of a wild animal. Perpetual, nevermore. I am the danger in carpe lumen. Shouted the raven from the maternity ward, grinning Mephistophelian in a perpetual nevermore. In a heart with an iron voice, a sacred melody has rusted, floating in intergalactic space like a mothership, the last survivor of the apocalypse. What a plaster life walks on the sidewalk under phallic crutches. In an aseptic dialect, perpetual.